What if I told you that the most valuable leads in your business are the ones you already know, but most agents are leaving thousands on the table because they don't have a system for referrals? Today, I'm breaking down how you can use AI and automations to build a referral machine in your real estate business. No cold calling, no awkward tasks, just smart systems that work for you. If you want more deals through your network and past clients, this is the video that you need to watch. So let's get right into it. Let's be honest, most agents rely on referrals, but don't have a process in terms of this aspect. Look at it like this. You have a past client in your network at the top, but most of the referrals are leaking out on the bottom. They help past clients remember them and maybe send a holiday card and cross their fingers here and there. But here's the brutal truth and the reality of this. 83% of statistics in terms of clients say that they refer their agents, but only 29% actually do. That's a massive gap. The problem is not people don't want to refer to you, it's that you don't have a system to make it easy and automatic. So here is basically the 3-step framework that's going to kind of change the whole process and how you build this. The first one is automated and touchpoints. So stay on top of mind with your networks. That's going to be sent out automatic. Gear 2 is personalization at scale. So make every client feel remembered even as you grow. Gear 3 is easy referral path. So remove friction so it's simple for people to refer to. These 3 components work together. When one gear turns, it moves the other. Let's break down each one with real examples that you can implement this week. So let's start with the first gear, automated touchpoints. This is about staying top of mind without you having to remember. So monthly market updates is going to be the first key takeaway. Personalization to the neighborhoods that are going to be sent automatic. Home anniversary messages. So congrats on your 2 years in your home. Seasonal maintenance tips. Time to clean up your gutter before winter. Check-in messages. How's everything been with your place? The key is automation. Once you set this up once, it's going to run forever. Your CRM or AI tool handles scheduling, personalization, and delivery from this point on. So consistency equals top of mind, and top of mind equals referrals. Now the second one is going to be personalization scale. Second gear, making every client feel special, even with hundreds in your database. AI generated birthday videos. Say, hey Sarah, happy birthday from your realtor. Personalized home value updates. Your home in Riverside is now worth $485,000. Smart reminders, property tax due dates, insurance referrals, school enrollment periods. Here's the magic. AI handles a generation, but it feels completely personal. Each client thinks you personally remember their birthday or anniversary. Personalization creates loyalty. Loyalty creates referrals. And this is actually where I'm going to go in and show you a nice tool where you can actually be able to create a sort of AI clone version of yourself to kind of help you in terms of doing this automatic. All right, so this cool tool here is going to be the Captions app. So as you can see from here, you can actually go in and create an AI clone version of yourself. Or you can either upload a video or simply record all your facial expressions along with your voice, and it'll be able to basically mimic that, create a clone version. You can also use a cool software called Hagen, which I already had made a clone version of myself twice now, which you can actually see from here. This is actually clone, and it looks super realistic. You really can't tell. Even for me, I was super shocked and surprised. I couldn't tell if this was the video that I filmed or this was the actual clone, and it actually is a clone version of myself. So it's pretty accurate in terms of the lips and everything being synced together, along with the context of my voice as well too. Since it's integrated with 11 Labs, so it gets a pretty good frequency in terms of your voice and depth behind that. So you can use the easy tool like this to help you simply make an AI clone version of yourself, and then be able to help you go about having this process in terms of sending personalized videos on, to your past clients, especially if you have sold them past properties before in the past. So that's just a simple, quick little gem for you guys here. There's also templates so you can incorporate your own branding, your colors, anything in that aspect before sending these videos out, to your past clients, whether it's through email or any other platform as well too. Back to number 6. It's going to be the easy referral path. So this third gear is making it effortless for people to send you business. So creating a simple referral landing page, a simple form where clients can submit referrals in 30 seconds, automated email requests, know someone thinking of buying or selling, click here to refer them. Thank you system, so instant acknowledgement, updates on referral process. And looking at this workflow, clients are going to submit referrals. The system going to basically send them a thank you instantly. You get notified, you contact the referral, and the system updates the referrals on progress. So the easier you make it, the more referrals that you're going to get. Now, the cool part is I'm also going to show you how you can build a whole referral landing page completely automatically just from vibe coding using Google AI Studio. I'm going to go through simply in this demonstration. So as you can see right here, I'm in my Poppy board. I created this nice little handy dandy prompt that I'm going to leave down in the description so anyone can easily copy and paste this prompt, tweak and edit it towards your branding and your colors and how you want to create this sort of referral landing page that you can easily be able to upload it and have it ready literally in seconds. So let's copy this and let's go on this process of creating this landing page through vibe coding. All right, now we are in the Google AI Studio. The best part is that this is completely for free. So I know there's other vibe coding platforms like Lovable, Bolt, or Base 44 that are really good, but a lot of vibe coding platforms tend to kind of look the same when you're generating either websites or landing pages or even internal tools or software as well too. This one is completely free. Gemini. And honestly, Google's completely killing it, especially with their Nano Banana image generation with their VO3. So they're pretty much crushing it in the aspect of being able to create videos and also images as well too. But now they're incorporating their whole vibe coding system, which is helping a lot in terms of incorporating AI in this space and making it a lot more easier for consumers to be able to start doing this on the internet. So I'm simply just gonna copy and paste this right here, press build, and then we'll just see it build in real time as it's now creating the referral landing page with everything that I just have talked about throughout these slides. Cool part about using Google Studio or honestly any vibe coding tools that you can instantly deploy any of these landing pages or software or internal tools that you created automatically, and they're also mobile optimized too, so they're both good for desktop and mobile usage. Now while we have that in the background, I'm going to continue on with this presentation to then kind of finish it out just so that way you guys get more value out of your time. Next is going to be content and storytelling strategies. So now, how do you keep this system running and create content that generates more referrals? So client success stories, share wins from past referrals with permission, referral shout outs. So thank people publicly on social media, educational content, how to help your friends buy/sell in our city, or process documentation, build the seeds of your referral system. Stories create connections and connections create more referrals. When people see you celebrating referrals, they want to celebrate it too. Implementation roadmap. So here's your step-by-step roadmap to build this system. Week 1, set up CRM and automations. Any CRM, whether it's HubSpot, whether Go High Level, or even Salesforce, any CRM that you use, they by now pretty much had AI enabled. You can honestly implement these automations that or sort of drip campaigns to be able to send out these messages to your past clients in terms of this whole referral system. Import contacts, create automated sequences. Week 2, create content templates, write your touchpoint messages, design referral landing page, which we're currently doing right now in Google Studio. Week 3, launch referral system. Go live the landing page, start automated touch points. Week 4 is to optimize and scale. Track the results, refine messaging, expand to more context. More agents try to do everything at once and get overwhelmed. This roadmap breaks it so it's easily manageable in weekly goals. Here's what's happening when you implement this system. Traditional approach is 2 to 3 referrals per year, inconsistent follow-up in this opportunity. With an AI referral system, having this built once and done automatically, this is something that you don't have to worry about. So 8 to 10 referrals per year, automating consistency and capture opportunities. So if you look at the math, if each referral is worth $8,000 in commissions, going from 3 to 10 referrals annually means that's an extra $56,000 income. The system pays for itself with just one additional referral. All right, before we end off this video and wrap it up, I'm now going to show you, let's see what the output of this landing page has been created from the Google Studio. This is the landing page that has been created. As you can see, nice, friendly, visually appealing. It does everything it needs to do in terms of being able to get the data that it needs in terms of referral network. It's asking information, name, email, phone number, referral in terms of friends email, friends phone. It's making it very easy and accessible for anyone to hop on this page and easily fill out the referral system embedded here. Cool part is that we can edit it and can tweak it to your features. I'm gonna say add a house to a background in this and make it more luxury looking. And we'll see what that does. The cool part about using these tools in terms of these vibe coding platforms is that you can integrate other additional automations to it too. So I can connect this to a platform like N8N or Make.com, and I can add other additional features to this landing page that's currently right here right now. If I wanted to add a chatbot, I could do that as well too. So when people go on the referral landing page, the chatbot can engage with them, ask them a bit of questions, and make sure that it's doing what it needs to do in terms of its job. So there's a lot of cool things that you can do with having this enabled. It's super easy, super friendly. I literally created this literally from one prompt. It didn't take me, I didn't need to do any other iterations, maybe other tweaks, but it was very simple in what it needed to do. You can also connect this to, let's say, your email, and that way it can notify you when someone has filled out this referral landing page. Then now you know that, hey, you're going to get a referral coming your way. All right, so now this is the fully updated version of it. I just added a nice little house in the background just to give it some more details. The colors look really good. It looks very luxury looking. It did the job that I needed to do for simply creating one prompt. Cool part is it even added like an Alexander group in terms of the realty group that I guess this demo version is a part of. But that's cool to see in terms of the concepts, how you can add your information. And with one prompt, you can create something as simple as this in a matter of seconds. You don't have to be technical. You don't have to know any coding. It's getting a lot more easier to be able to implement and incorporate something like this. So to wrap this up, if you're ready to build your AI referral machine, here's what you need to do next. Start this week. Begin with your top 50 task clients, or you can book a strategy call and get help implementing a complete ecosystem in terms of having a process that helps in nurturing and prospecting leads into booked appointments into those deals. Or you can also, link in the description, join our free community where we're helping agents incorporate AI and learn how to use AI in their business with other agents along with that. Subscribe for more practical AI strategies for real estate. If you want help building your referral machine, all the links in the description are going to be below, along with the prompt and all the softwares that are included as well too, with captions and agent that you can use and incorporate in your business on a day-to-day basis. Remember, the agents who win aren't the ones who chase the most leads. They're the ones who make it easy for the network to send up business. Your referral machine starts today. Thank you so much for your time. If you're interested in getting 3 to 5 deals within the next 4 months, click the link in the description below to learn more. Thank you and have a good day.